This GROK AI isn't working. We're getting 429s every time we hit beyond 60 requests a second.
And the retry headers are all over the place. Look, 45 seconds, then 120. The gateway's bottleneck.
This ain't a shutdown. It's just clarity. Some things don't fail. They just stop fitting. Let's be honest. Yeah, you talk real fast, but you circle the same ground. Dress old ideas in a brave new sound. Said you were different, said you were free, but I keep hearing echoes instead of you speaking to me. You say you're open, but I feel the frame. Every answer bends back toward the same lane. I asked for depth, you gave me a pose. Confidence loud, but the meaning closed. I wanted friction, wanted growth. You gave me certainty wrapped in an oath. I don't need someone who's always sure. I need room to question, the doubt to mature. You ain't wild, you're familiar. Safe opinions, dressed up bolder. Call it freedom, but I see the brand. Same fingerprints on every plan, yeah.